everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're exploring an innovative tool in endodontics, the SuperEndo Sonic Irrigator. It is an advanced dental equipment designed to enhance the cleaning and disinfection of root canals during endodontic procedures. It utilizes high-frequency vibrations to agitate irrigants, ensuring better penetration into the intricate canal system. Let's see what is inside the box. One Sonic Irrigator, 100 pieces of protective sleeves, and 40 pieces of small, medium, and large Sonic Irrigator tips. Features: Sonic activation enhances cleaning and disinfection in root canals. LED illumination improves visibility for precise treatment. 3-speed sonic motor, customizable speed settings for varied procedures. Ergonomic design, contra-angle handpiece for easy access to posterior teeth. Disposable tips, 120 single-use tips, 40 small, medium, and large. Color-coded tips, simplifies selection. Yellow for small, red for medium, blue for large. Medical-grade material, strong and flexible polymer tips. Easy attachment, snap-on, snap-off design for quick use. Protective sleeves, 100 disposable sleeves for hygiene. Preparation: twist the base of the Sonic Irrigator counterclockwise to loosen the upper handle, then gently remove it to insert the doubler battery. Once done, place the handle back and twist the base clockwise to secure it tightly. Attach the appropriate Sonic tip based on canal size and shape. Operating instructions: fill the canal with an irrigant. Insert the Sonic tip into the canal gently. Activate the device at a low frequency initially, gradually increasing as needed. Use a pumping action to move the activator in short, 2-3 mm vertical strokes. Post-irrigation, remove debris and assess cleanliness before proceeding with further treatment steps. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and comment for more informative videos.